Well, hello tubers. Today I am coming to you from the east side of the Cascade Mountains here in eastern Washington, where it is sunny and a lot drier than on the coast. So anywho, I wanted to bring you an interesting find. One of my neighbors I was camped with a few days ago at Maryhill State Park had this wonderful renovated 1973 GMC. Now, there's a big cult following on some of these babies, and this is a unique find. This wonderful couple bought this thing 20 years ago and have reupholstered and redid the cabinets, and it looks fantastic for the year. And of course they allowed me to take a few pictures inside and out, and I figured I would just share that with you because a lot of you folks still love these units. I remember, and of course I remember James from Wanderlust Estate with the one he had. These are challenging beasts to keep up with the maintenance if you're putting a lot of miles on them, but they sure are wonderful, and they have a really nice open look and feel to them. So let's take a look at the inside and take a note of how things have been modified and changed and how clean and tidy and nice this unit looks. So that's how it is here, folks. Stay safe, keep your wheels in the ground, and I'll probably see you somewhere else in Oregon or California.